Okay, here we want to make our assembly after we made all 5 shapes. So you go I Pro, hit the new arrow, and go assembly. You may have to drop this down and say place for the first time. After you do that, it should stay the same way mine looks. You want to click on cube, and you want to place 3 of them. So you click once, click a second time, and a third time. Right click and say OK. Now we want to make sure we select one of these to ground. So we click one so it's highlighted, and we right click on it and say grounded so it does not move. That will make your assembly, the front view, right view, and top view stay the correct way. Now we want to place our cube with hole. Same way as we do the other ones, you place our triangle. So click once, right click, OK, and the cylinder. Okay, so we have our objects here. Now we need to assemble them. So we're going to go under constraint, and you have a mate and a flush. We want to first mate the blocks together and then flush them. So each item gets 3 things done to it. So we're going to click mate. We're going to turn this so we can see the other side. So the arrows are pointing towards each other and they line up. We hit apply. Now we hit flush. We flush the front edges, apply, and the top edges. Apply. Now we need to put this cube with a hole on it. We gotta mate it first. So we want to mate the top surface and this bottom surface. Apply, and then we flush it. Apply. Click on the 2 surfaces. Apply. Now we want to add this cube to here. So we go back to mate. We mate this, and we're going to turn this thing so these 2 edges or surfaces will connect. Apply it. Go back. Now we have to flush this front edge to that front edge. And now to line the 2 up, since we have that cube on top of it, we have to go to the underside and flush these 2. Next part is this triangle. Go back to mate. Okay, we're gonna go this surface, and now we have to turn this so we get that angle to line up. And say apply, and then we flush. Underside to underside. And front to front. And the last step is to do a tangent or a flush to the cube here and do a tangent. Apply, and then I let us roll this one into place. So that is how you assemble your A block. So you hit save as and call it A block. Now you have to pick 2 more to complete and turn them in.